Hello everybody, welcome back to the training of the Modicon M221. In this video we're going to see the template UV meter that we have for the remote graphic display inside the software EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic. So let's go to the presentation. The idea is to make this template associated with a variable inside our project to see in this view the variables inside this HMI. So if we continue with the presentation, this is very simple. This is the real VU meter, okay? An idea is to make it in digital, okay? So for that, we need to link a variable to this object, okay? It could be a percentage NW, percentage MD variable, and then we also have the possibility to edit the value. So how we can do this? We just need to go to display, operator interface, right click, add the page and select the view meter template. Once we have added this page in our software, what we need to do is to configure it. If we select the elements, we just need to go to variable and associate the object to this variable. Then we have the possibility to select the units, as you can see over here, is in the bottom right part. Then we also have the possibility, or we must, in this case, to configure the minimum and maximum values. And if you want, we can edit the object. As you can see here, when you select the right axis, this edit is available for you to edit this variable on the display. So the last thing that we need to do is to, in order to call this page in our system, okay, we just need to change the name of the title. We can also add some help text over here and change the name this page and the number for something that we can call on the menu template that we have. So the idea now is to implement this. So what we're going to do is to use the percentage %NW10 variable, okay, which is the timer for the motor in our application that we have. Select the unit in seconds, the minimum 0, the maximum 10, and to be accessible. So this is what we need to do. So let's go to the software. Okay, this is the application that we have. So let's go display, operator pages. Okay, add page, select the VU meter. Here you have the error because there is nothing configured over there. Okay, go to the bottom. You can see here there is also another icon compared to the one that we had defined in the past. Here we just need to use the VU meter. Okay, we can also add some text, text example, VU meter. You can also add the password protected, but I don't want to do it. Let's change the how we can call this. Conf VU, for example. Elements. I'm going to select the percentage %NW10 seconds from 0 to 10 and right axis. You can see the edit is over there. Something important you need to know, this one is only for the visualization, but the value can be higher than this. So what we need to do now is to connect with the controller and download this. So I'm going to change the view of this so we can see the screen. Now I'm going to connect. Okay, connected, PC, download. Okay, downloading to the target. Okay, perfect. So now the PLC is started, everything is fine. And if you have this problem, we just need to remove the Modbus communication cable to restart the device. Okay, good. Just wait for this to finish. Let's go in the meantime to one of the tools over here, NW10, which is the variable that we had added. And As you can see here, there's something important I forgot. That is that once you call the VU meter, okay, define it, you need to call it on the menu template so we can call it. So that forget to do that. So we can config UV VU. How is called? Config VU. Okay. Select this page. Add. Now we need to connect again and download it. Otherwise, even if the page is configured, we are not going to jump into there. Okay. Download again to the target. Transferring. Okay, just wait for the PLC to start. So we can see this together. Okay, display, programming. Now let's see this value over here. So if we scroll down this, we can go to the button. Okay, select the enter. We can see there the value. Now let's start to modify this. You can see the how it changed. Okay. Okay, now if I edit this, I can put another value, for example, 2, apply. You can see there the position. Now you can also edit higher than this. So probably to avoid a problem like this, it's probably good to have some logic. You can see it's higher than 10. Then we can go here, plus 9, 7. And there we go. So this is how you can use the VU meter template for the display. So you can see it's very simple. Just put the template over there, and then you just need to define which variable do you want to use and visualize in this way as a VU meter. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.